If you want to increase your intake of fruits and vegetables, investing in a top-quality juicer is essential. These devices efficiently extract the liquid from fresh produce, leaving you with nutrient-rich, tasty drinks. Additionally, they can be used to make nut milks and even soft-serve frozen desserts. However, with so many juicers available, choosing the right one can be challenging. First, you need to determine your preference. Centrifugal juicers offer speed and convenience, using technology similar to blenders to shred fruits and vegetables before separating the juice from the pulp. On the other hand, masticating juicers, or cold-press juicers, slowly extract juice by mimicking the chewing process, preserving more fiber and resulting in a more nutritious, albeit pulpier, juice. To assist you in making the best choice, we've compiled a list of the best juicers currently available and provided guidance on selecting the right type for your needs. All product links are provided in the description. Let's begin. Number 5. Tribest Greenstar Elite. The Tribest Greenstar Elite GSE 5000 is a masticating juicer is the most technically advanced model featuring a twin-gear, horizontal design. Measuring 12.4 by 6.8 by 18.6 inches and weighing 17.4 pounds, it operates with a 200-watt motor and comes with a 12-year limited warranty. This juicer offers several advantages. Its 12-year product warranty ensures long-term reliability. The unique twin-gear design improves the extraction of leafy greens, while magnetic and bioceramic technology reduces oxidation, allowing juice to be refrigerated for longer. Additionally, the Tribest Greenstar Elite includes multiple components for a variety of uses, such as making nut butters, sorbets, and sauces. However, there are a few drawbacks. The juicer is heavy and occupies considerable counter space. It also requires pressure to push produce through the chute. Despite these downsides, the Greenstar Elite excels in performance. The gears, positioned millimeters apart, counter-rotate to simultaneously squeeze and crush the pulp, resulting in high juice yields. It's particularly effective with tough material, making it the best choice for juicing leafy greens. The juicer operates quietly at 69.3 dB, comes with multiple cleaning tools, and includes a high-quality glass juice jug. While the fully assembled juicer is large, this contributes to its premium feel, making it a standout choice for serious juicing enthusiasts. Number 4. Breville Juice Fountain Elite. The Breville Juice Fountain Elite is a centrifugal juicer known for its ability to handle large volumes efficiently. Measuring 12 by 13.1 by 10.6 inches and weighing 15.45 pounds, it operates with a powerful 1,000-watt motor and comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Several features make this juicer stand out. Its wide 3-inch chute allows for easy processing of whole fruits and vegetables, reducing prep time. The extra-large containers are ideal for bulk juicing, making it suitable for those who need to juice in large quantities. The Breville Juice Fountain Elite also offers 2 speed settings, providing extra processing power for tougher items like kale and carrots. However, there are some drawbacks. This model tends to have a lower juice yield compared to other juicers in its price range, particularly masticating models. Additionally, the maximum setting can be quite loud, reaching 87 dB during operation due to its 13,000 RPM motor. Despite these cons, the Breville Juice Fountain Elite excels in several areas. Its high power ensures that tough produce is processed with ease, while its straightforward design simplifies assembly and cleaning. Users can switch between low and high settings to optimize juice extraction based on the ingredients used. Though it may not match the juice yield of some high-end masticating models, it remains a reliable choice for various juicing needs, particularly when juicing large quantities. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Big Mouth Juice Extractor. The Hamilton Beach Big Mouth Juice Extractor stands out as a top performer among centrifugal juicers, despite its modest size and affordable price. Measuring 14.1 by 9.4 by 17.3 inches and weighing just 9.56 pounds, it operates with an 800-watt motor and comes with a 3-year warranty. This juicer offers several notable advantages. It consistently ranks high in performance among centrifugal models, delivering some of the highest juice yields. The 3 inches wide chute accommodates whole ingredients, reducing the need for pre-cutting. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to clean and store, adding to its convenience. However, there are a few downsides. The juicer does not include a juice container, and it was the loudest among the juicers on the list, reaching 91.3 dB. Additionally, it can vibrate and move slightly when initially turned on due to its low weight. Despite these drawbacks, the Hamilton Beach Big Mouth Juice Extractor performs exceptionally well, especially given its price point. While it may not handle leafy greens as effectively as masticating models, it still outperformed more expensive juicers in our tests. The extra-large pulp container and wide feed chute enhance its usability and efficiency. Although it is prone to noise and slight movement, many users will find these minor issues a fair trade-off for its juicing efficiency and competitive pricing. Number 2. Cuisinart Easy Clean Slow Juicer. The Cuisinart Easy Clean Slow Juicer is a stylish and affordable masticating juicer. Measuring 10.24 by 6.97 by 18.27 inches and weighing 11.35 pounds, it operates with a 200-watt motor and comes with a 3-year limited warranty. This juicer offers several compelling reasons to buy. It is the most affordable masticating juicer we reviewed, making it an excellent entry point into the world of slow juicing technology. The settings are quiet, and the juicer includes a reverse function, enhancing its ease of use. Its sleek and stylish design ensures it will complement any kitchen space. However, there are a few drawbacks to consider. The Cuisinart Easy Clean Slow Juicer tends to produce lower yields compared to other masticating juicers. It also features a small feed chute, requiring more preparation time to cut ingredients into smaller pieces. Despite these limitations, the Cuisinart Easy Clean Slow Juicer performs admirably, especially given its price point. It utilizes fluid masticating technology efficiently, even when juicing leafy greens. Its compact size and upright design minimize its footprint on the countertop, although it is taller than many other juicers at over 18 inches. For $159.99, users can enjoy the benefits of masticating juicing without the high price tag. While it may not yield the highest possible juice volumes, its blend of form and function, along with its quiet operation and stylish appearance, make it a compelling choice for budget-conscious consumers seeking a slow juicer. Number 1. Hurom HAA Slow Juicer. The Hurom HAA Slow Juicer is the pinnacle of juicing excellence. Measuring 8.8 by 7.8 by 16.0 inches and weighing 18.2 pounds. It operates with a 150-watt motor and boasts impressive warranty. The motor has a 10-year warranty, while all other parts are covered for 2 years. There are several compelling reasons to choose the Hurom HAA Slow Juicer. It consistently delivers the highest or among the highest juice yields of any juicer on the list. Whether juicing classic oranges or nutrient-packed green juices, this model excels in efficiency and flavor. Its stylish upright design, available in matte black, white, or rose gold, adds a modern touch to any kitchen. However, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. The assembly of the Hurom HAA can be more complex due to its additional components and nozzle. This complexity is necessary for its versatility, allowing it to produce other recipes such as ice cream, nut milks, and tofu. While the Hurom HAA Slow Juicer comes at a premium price point, its exceptional performance justifies the investment for serious juicing enthusiasts. Its ability to handle a variety of ingredients and produce different recipes sets it apart as the best juicer overall. If you're looking for top-notch juicing performance and versatility, the Hurom HAA Slow Juicer is an excellent choice despite its higher assembly complexity and price. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe if you found this video useful.